Amino, Tensor Core, CUDA Core, NVIDIA, ray tracing, it's finally here. What's in the box is a 3090. Who by? Well, obviously it's ASUS, but what is it? Stay tuned, we're about to find out. Okay, an infamous 3090 that I paid a fortune to get my hands on. That's right, I bought this myself. I paid the 3,500 AUD to get my hands on this bad boy. What model is it? Well, let's find out. You got these little things and, sorry, I'm just gonna cut off these packing tape. Wow, okay. ASUS, I'm impressed with your shipping standards. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. That was exciting. I've been wanting to get my hands on this for ages. This and my AMD CPU, so I could finally do a computer build for you guys. This has arrived. So happy. Gonna open it up. Like, hope you guys have been good, you know. But yeah, okay, opening it. Oh wow, it's packaged so nicely. Once again, hang on. Okay, look at the inside of that. She ain't going nowhere, I tell you what. This beauty is well and truly packaged nicely. Thank the Lord. Because if my white ASUS 3090 Strix OC wasn't packaged nicely and it came damaged, I would have been fuming. There wouldn't have been a rock to hide under from my wrath. But it's all nice, so we don't have to worry about that. Oh wow, this box is nice, and it's like, it's just like touching it feels nice, which is cool. And oh, it's got the shiny and it's white and it says 3090 and I'm just really happy. Oh, 24 gigs of GDDR6X. It's interesting though, there's been a world shortage of GDDR6. In fact, that's very like horrible. We've had a pandemic, then a shortage of DRAM, and like, could anything else go wrong? Come on 2021, you can do better. Enough about that, let's open it up. Let's read the box. Cooling. A max contact heat spreader, efficiency transfer heat into a new heat sink that spans most of the card's 2.9 slot footprint. On top of 3 optimized Access Tech fans work in tandem to drive air through the entire array, helping to keep temperatures under tight control. Ooh, I like it when it's under tight control. Thank you, ASUS. Engineering, top shelf capacitors, chokes, and MOSFETs are selected to effortlessly deliver hundreds of watts at a millisecond's notice, dubbed Super Alloy Power 2. These components are soldered to the PCB using Auto Extreme automated manufacturing process to ensure accurate placement. Yeah, and then it's aesthetically pleasing and it's got software. I want to open it up. What does my $3,500 get me? Please tell me I at least get a sticker. You know, I paid $3,500 for a graphics card and I want the sticker. All I got was this lousy sticker. Not even a t-shirt. It'd be cool if they gave you a t-shirt, like, you know those hydro shrink wrap t-shirts? That would have been fun. Oh wow. So I open it up and there's another box. There's a box, in a box, in a box. Okie dokie. Ooh, Strix. Just in nice, clean white writing. It's got an X, love it. Okay, flip it over, let's see what we got. Ooh, we have foam. I like foam. Oh my God, it's huge. Oh my God, there's a bag. Oh, the bag comes with drawstrings. It comes with a drawstring bag. What is it? Open the bag. I want what's in the bag. In the bag, in the bag, in the bag. It's a ring! Oh my God, I got a ring! Oh! This is way better than a t-shirt. Oh, limited edition Strix. Boom! I'm gonna wear this with pride. Fits really well too. This is so cool. Oh my God. That is incredible. Like, damn. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna wear that for the rest of the day. I'm gonna take it to a party and be like, yeah, I got a ring. Do you get a ring? No, because you didn't pay a stupid amount of money for something that may or may not help you. It will help me. So, look, the reason why I'm getting this is because I'm doing a lot of video editing, doing rendering, and tons of stuff. So, yeah. Wow. Let's have a look at this chonker. What else is there? Before we get to the chonker, what else we get? Cable ties. They're nice. Cable ties are always fun. What else we get? Anything more? Anything hidden? Oh, you get an ASUS thing. What's in the ASUS thing? I want to see what is in the ASUS thing. Okay, please don't make me rip you. Okay. Ooh, it's got stuff. Okay. You go there. You go there. Damn, I love this bag. My grandmother used to have an antique shop, and my sister and I would like go and steal these bags and like pretend they were like little pixie fairy dust bags, and yeah, being a child was fun. Okay. Ooh. There's some sort of ruler thing. Oh, it's in centimeters. That's nice. Glad it's in. Oh, it's got inches on the other side. So what we have all sorts of symbols for like AC bandwidth. Wow, that's really nice, really detailed. Nice. Designed by ASUS Tech Company. That's a nice touch. What else we got? We have a fin. I'm sure that'll be more important to me later. And a card. Oh, it's like a training card. It's like, I play my ASUS thing in defense mode because it's rendering, not attacking the game with a high frame rate. Yeah, what does it say? Limited edition ASUS 630 series graphics card, features with white shroud, backplate, frames, fans to match, white themed rig. Oh look, it's got max overclocking bars and heat dispersion. It's nice. Keep you in defense mode. And we got some setup, and we got a thank you. Thank you for purchasing the ASUS graphics card. Each ASUS graphics card is meticulously crafted throughout, tested to deliver quality, premium product. That's nice. Thank you for thanking me for spending money with you. Okay, finally, this hefty hefter of Heffington of, oh my God, I got pretty big hands. And this thing just dwarfs my hands, like wow. I wonder how much this thing weighs. To use my Henston Berthinimil scales to see how much this bad boy weighs. No, I've got batteries in it. Okie dokie. Right, this is a 10 kilo scale, and when I put this hefty chunker on, 1.911 kilos. So we could probably round that down to 1.9 kilos. Damn, she's heavy. And the case I got to go in this is also heavy. But yeah, 1.9 kilos. Thank you, scales. Right, let's have a look. I like anti-static bags. When I get an anti-static bag, I get really excited. I'm like, it's anti-static. Okay, what can I touch? Touch you. Damn. Oh my golly gosh. Oh, now I know what that thing was for. Come here. So like that can go and cover over here. Maybe? Yes? No? No. Well, I'll figure it out eventually. Maybe I'll read the instructions. Wowie, guys. This just feels solid. Like, feels nice. Oh, wow, these fans, they just effortlessly. There's not even, it doesn't even appear to have a wobble. You know what's great? They're even. They're even fans. They're counter spinning, so like this spins one way and these two spin another way, but whatever. These screws are nice. Oh, you know I got this one? It's got 3 1.4A display ports, and then we got the HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 of those. So 5 ports in total, which is good. I looked at the Kingpin, and I was gonna get that one because it's the same price as this, right? So the Kingpin with its little AIO cooling gear was the same price as this, but it was one less port, so I got this instead because it was white and it had another port. What's wrong with me? You don't need to hear about the Kingpin. This is about the ASUS. Ooh, it's got stickers. But yeah, cool. This is super fun. Like, why did I get this? It's the OC Strix model. So already its base clock is higher than most of the cards. Then its boost clock is higher again. I think it comes out to 1820 megahertz or something. But when the 30 series first came out and then the 3090 was released, the ASUS Strix line held the top players for overclocking for a while. Now it's like Kingpin and all that because they finally got the components out. But from the get-go, ASUS managed to release something that was awesome. Like, I'm not gonna do LN2 work yet, maybe later on when I get bored. But yeah, straight off the bat. Anyway, when I put this in the build, you'll see it, we'll do some more thing of that. This was just an unboxing, you know, super psyched about this ring. Like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. I don't know what it's made out of. I think I've already like damaged it, so maybe I'll put you back in its bag. Oh, look, it's got a serial number. Cool. Well, I think that's a secret code on the bottom of the ring, so maybe we'll talk about that later. But yeah, we'll chat with you later. Thank you for watching Magenta's Tech Tales. Stay tuned. I have my massive computer build. There'll be water cooling and all sorts of other stuff. And yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks guys. Have a good one. Bye.